guys, we still there at the street of Owerri. We still there at the street of Owerri, okay? For eating competition, any location you invite us, we come. No matter anywhere, as in Aba, Lagos, everywhere you call me, I will come. I'll be Mother Christmas. Eat free and collect your cash. That's my work, okay? So we are here with this gentleman, sir.
IK, harmless.
Hmm?
Harmless.
IK with a armless. They are here. Just only two fufu with vegetable soup. Under 3 minutes, you go with this cash. Okay? At count of three, they will start. One, two, three, action. Guys, please, please. Who win? I don't know. Okay, guys. London is going with a cash. What will you say to our followers?
You did nice. Thank you. For this Nigerian economy, that they do this kind of thing. God bless you.
Amen. You know wetin talk. This Nigerian economy, we see they do this kind of thing. We are trying, okay? We are trying. Any location you call me, I'm ready to come, okay? So guys, please like, comment, and share. Like, comment, and share, please. I take God beg you, okay? Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing, okay? I love you guys.